Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. And oh my god, I just don't know what to, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. The Dollar Tree is getting a little bit out of control, so I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up. So every single time I go to the Dollar Tree, I see something, I'm like, oh, so-and-so has to have this, or I need to pick this up for you guys. So I'm having so much fun with the Dollar Tree, and every single week it's something new, but I have learned which Dollar Tree I need to go to. There's one Dollar Tree that is stocked every single week, has new stuff out, and I find new stuff every single week. There's another Dollar Tree where it's just the same old song and dance. So I know which Dollar Tree that I need to be frequenting at. So I went to one on, I think it was Wednesday night or Thursday night. No, I forgot when I went, but I went yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, so I went on Friday and then I went this morning. So I went to two different Dollar Trees. So now I know which Dollar Tree I need to go to. So there's nothing in particular order, so I'm just gonna share with you guys everything that I picked up. And this is actually probably my biggest haul of Dollar Tree yet. So I'm just gonna get into it. So I picked up some coloring books for the kids. So I always get coloring books for the kids at the Dollar Tree. So this one is just Fun Time, and this one is Princesses. So I picked those up. And then I picked up some board books for Tanner for us to read at bedtime. So I picked up the Noah's Ark book, and then I picked up Jonah and the Big Fish. And then I also picked up Baby Jesus. And what I like about these is they're pop-up storybooks. So it gives a new little element for the book, and they're not the paper pages. So when Sawyer and Scarlett, if they want to look at the book too, they're not going to rip the pages out. And then I picked up some more of these vacuum storage bags. So last week I hauled these to go ahead and store the kids' baby clothes, so Tanner's baby clothes, and to go ahead and store Sawyer's clothes as he grows out of them so that Tanner can, wear them. So these actually worked out really well. So I have a huge Rubbermaid tub that has about 5 bags of these with vacuum sealed clothes. So it's a great space saver. So I highly recommend these. So I'm going to put some linens in these as well. Some like more warmer weather comforters and flannel sheets and stuff. So I'm going to put those in these. So if you're looking for a space saving idea for your clothes, definitely go for these, and they're $1. So I remember back in the day, I would pay full price for them at Bed Bath & Beyond. So not anymore. And then I picked up a box of Saltine Crackers. My store did not have the oyster crackers, which I prefer the oyster crackers, and so does my husband. So I picked up 2 of these magnetic notepads. So this one says stick to the plan, and this one says choose happy. I liked the floral. I liked the black and white pinstripe. So I picked these up for my giveaway pile. And then I also picked up another Assured cotton rounds. I went through a whole thing of these guys, so I went and picked another one up. I will never buy my cotton rounds anywhere other than the Dollar Tree because the quality is great, and I just wouldn't pay more than $1 for that now. So pick those up. Highly recommend them. And then I picked up some more of these Mickey Mouse Clubhouse coloring poster board sheets. So I picked up a Mickey Mouse one. Actually, I picked up 2 Mickey Mouse ones. And then I picked up one for Scarlett. So this one has her 2 favorite princesses on it. So it has Rapunzel and it has Ariel. And what I love about these guys is they come with the markers. So I love that the markers come with it. So the kids always need a refill of their activities, especially since they're all home for the summer. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is a rubber trash can, which I'm actually going to put in my car so I can keep the car a little cleaner, and as we're driving and traveling and stuff like that, we have a place to go ahead and dispose trash. So this is going to go into the car, so I'm glad I have this. And actually I should have picked up another one because I need a little trash container in my laundry room to collect the lint that the dryer, you have to catch the lint in the dryer thing. So I need something to dispose the lint. So actually I might change my idea and nix the car idea, and I might just go ahead and throw this guy into my laundry room because I think that that's going to serve a better purpose to be in the laundry room. So I picked up 2 mugs. So I picked up these Emoji Mugs. So I have 2 little kids that are gonna be getting these mugs. So you know who you are, because I don't wanna spoil the surprise. So those are going to some friends. And then I also found the mermaid bins again. So I went ahead and picked this up to go ahead and put into my giveaway pile, because I know those are highly requested items. So I went ahead and picked these up. And then I was strolling the aisle and I found one lonely recipe note card. So it has the mason jar right here. So you put the ingredients and then the recipe, and it serves how many. So I picked these up because I've been getting more into cooking, and I thought I would go ahead and get these so I can go ahead and save my recipes. I am a pen and note gal, so I always write my recipes down. I know I can just go on Pinterest and pull up the digital copy, but I love writing things down. I love writing notes. All my breakdowns are handwritten. I don't, do spreadsheets or anything like that. So I just love writing notes. So let me know if you guys are hand note writers. I think I've asked you that before. So Dollar Tree had the cotton stems. So I picked up quite a few. So Ashley, if you're watching this, let me know if you want to, because I snagged 2 for you. So if you want them, they're going to you. So I picked up 2 for Ashley if she wants them. And then I picked up 2 for you guys to put into the giveaway pile, because I know that those are hot items and they're probably gonna go super quick when they land to everyone's Dollar Tree. And then I picked up 2 for my house. So I picked up 6 total. I would have picked up more, but I was trying to restrain and I wanted to leave some for someone else. So I picked up 6 of those, great quality. I purchased mine full price last year at Michael's. So getting those for $1, I'm probably gonna have to get some more next week, but I wanted to, save some for someone else. And then I picked up this little tote bag, and this is going into the giveaway pile as well, because I thought it was super cute. It says, "It's so fluffy," and it has the minion and the unicorn. So that is going into the giveaway bin as well. And then I have a whole nother bag of goodies. So I picked up 2 more of the 8x10 frames, because I did that DIY last week with those magnetic frames, and you guys gave me some good feedback on how I can make that DIY even better. So thank you guys so much for those suggestions. So I picked up 2 more because I have 2 more frames, and I really loved how the DIY came out. And if you guys are all interested, I'll link my video from last week below so you guys can check that out. So I also found this Flamingo tape dispenser. So originally I was picking this up for Nicole Burgess, and then I was like, you know what? I think all of my couponer friends need to have one of these. So I got one for Llewellyn. I got one for Nicole. I got one for Jeff, because I can't leave Jeff out and he needs Flamingo tape too. And then I got one for Ashley. I got one for Brittany. And then I got one for Michelle, because we all need Flamingo tape. So that is going to my couponing tribe here. And then I also picked this up for my giveaway bin, because so many of you guys had mentioned how cool these magnets are, which I totally agree. Now I've stuck one on my dishwasher, and for the don't forget one, I put if the dishes are clean or if the dishes are dirty, so that everyone can stop asking me, are the dishes clean or dirty? So I just use a dry erase marker and I write if they're clean or dirty. And then another one I put on my fridge, and I track my water intake. So this is what I've been doing with these magnets. So I got that for the giveaway bin. And then I also picked up these poly sticky notes. So these are for planners. So they're little flag sticker notes. And they have the thumbtack on it and the days of the week. So basically it tells you, like, you can write reminders of what you need to do. So if you're a planner person, these are great. So I got one for the giveaway pile, and then I got one for myself. And then I got this for Scarlett, so she can do, this is the Glitter Art Lisa Frank. So it is a peel away cuts. I have no idea what the heck this is, but we're gonna do it together. So I thought she'd have a good time doing this and giving it to Chris's mom, because Chris's mom has a cat. So Scarlett associates Mima and cats together. So I thought that would be something fun. And it's a little Bit more exciting than just coloring on a paper because it's glitter. So glitter makes everything more fun, right? So I got that for her. And then I picked these up. I thought that these were pretty handy. They're called glue dots. They're glue adhesives. So you can go ahead and do this for your home, school, office. And what I'm going to do this for is for the kids' scrapbook. So I can go ahead and put the pictures down, glue the pictures down. So I thought that this was a pretty good find. There's 36 of them. So yeah, so I got this for pictures. And then I got the kids some more stickers. So I picked these up for Sawyer, and they just have the airplanes, hot air balloon, all like the travel vehicles. So I thought he would like those. And I picked these up to go ahead and work with his colors. So I'm gonna come up with some sort of like DIY preschool activity to go ahead and do with these so he can start working out his colors. And then I picked up these stickers. These are very farmhouse, so I'm not going to say who I picked these up for, but if she's watching, she probably has an idea of who they're coming to. This one says home is where the heart is, and it has the wood, so it looks very, very farmhouse. And this one is a little arrow and farmhouse, so I knew she needed to have this, so I got those for her. And then Sawyer is crazy over Muppet Babies. He loves Muppet Babies so much. So I have no idea what the heck these are. I think it's just, it says it's classroom decor, but Sawyer's gonna get a kick out of seeing cards with the Muppet Babies on it. So I went ahead and picked these up for him. And then I also picked him up this puzzle with the animals. So we've been working on his speech and identifying different items. So I thought that this little puzzle would be fun. He loved the foam mat with the ABCs and the numbers. So I know he's gonna love this too. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna give this to him right now or if I'm just gonna set it aside for like stocking stuffers. I might do that with the Muppet Baby cards, and I might do that with some of these stickers that I picked out. So I might just start making him a little like stocking bin. And then I also picked these up for a friend. So these are travel stickers, but there is a kick on these because they look very farmhouse. So you have the wood distressing right here, and I thought that she could go ahead and use this for if she took pictures when she was at her beach trip. And then I also picked a package of stickers up for Llewellyn too, because I thought that these screamed Llewellyn. Shoot, I just gave away one of the people that I was giving these to. So Llewellyn, oops, I thought that you needed to have these because you're very focused on your family and your home, and I just thought that you would really love the home is where the heart is saying on here. So I thought that you would just really love these stickers, Llewellyn, so I picked these up for you. And then I also picked up some stickers for Sawyer again, so they're the animals. So I wanted to go ahead and start incorporating some stickers into some like play preschool type activities for him. So if you guys would like me to do a video on how I'm doing DIY preschool activities at home from things just from the Dollar Tree, then let me know if you'd like to see that video, because I am homeschooling him with preschool stuff right now. Even though he's 2, I'm really focusing on that, especially since he is in speech. So I wanted to go ahead and work with him more at home on that stuff. And then the last thing I picked up is some princess stickers. So this is just gonna go to Scarlett. So like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna give the stickers and such to them right now, or if I'm just gonna make a little stocking bin and just gradually pick things up and tuck it away. So Llewellyn came up with that idea. Well, she mentioned that suggestion in her Dollar Tree haul, and I thought that it was actually pretty genius. So I think that that's what I'm gonna start doing with some of the stickers that I actually pick up for the kids and the little board activities I'm picking up for them. I think I might just go ahead and tuck those away for safekeeping for when Christmas time rolls around. So I'm not like rushed and trying to get, stocking stuffers at the last minute when all of the good selection has been picked over. So this is my Dollar Tree haul for the week. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree giveaway once I hit my next YouTube milestone. So I just reached 16,000 earlier this week, so I think I'm going to wait until I get to 17 or 18. I'm not sure which one. Probably 18. So I'm going to do a huge Dollar Tree giveaway once I get to around 18,000 subscribers. So I'm just tucking things away, and I'm just going to give a huge box of Dollar Tree stuff to one lucky winner. So definitely click that subscribe button below if you are new to my channel. Ding the notification bell so you are notified every single time I post a video. And I have been having so much fun with the Dollar Tree community. You guys are so incredibly sweet and you've been so welcoming to me, and I appreciate that so much. So I hope everyone has a fantastic Saturday, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.